Well, hello. We're in week 10. Can you believe it? We're getting close to the end. And this week's topic is looking at Truman's decision why to drop the atomic bomb. One of the things you're going to be looking at that's going into his decision, and Americans have long argued about whether the use of the atomic bombs in the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki was necessary to end the war. But several factors you must look into that probably influenced Truman's decision to use the new weapons. First, military necessity. Truman, after the war, argued that the use of atomic bombs was necessary to avoid an invasion of Japan that could have cost close to 500,000 lives. Now, that's just American lives. Expecting the Japanese soldiers to put up a huge fight since they're not fighting on their homeland, and also the Japanese civilians. This was indicated on how they attacked American soldiers and Marines in the Battle of Okinawa. So you might be talking about millions of Japanese lives have been lost in trying to conquer the Empire of Japan. Atomic diplomacy. There are some historians that also believe, and there's a lot of research that indicates this, that the weapons were to overawe the Soviet Union, in which the State Department looks like they're our next enemy that we're going to have to face. And not only that, since the Soviet Union was a Johnny-come-lately to the War of Pacific, Stalin had already began to renege on a lot of the promises he made at Yalta when dealing with Poland having free elections. So maybe to shock them. Domestic policies has to deal with things such as, well, it cost $3 billion to build this bomb. Now, this was all done in secret. Congress didn't know about it. It's one of the best kept secrets in American history, really, the Manhattan Project. So how do you explain this if you had a bomb that could have probably ended the war a lot quicker, and then you're going back to the military necessity of over about 500,000 American soldiers losing their lives? And the momentum of the war. The United States and Britain had already adopted the destruction of German and Japanese cities. What a lot of Americans don't know is that the greatest amount of lives taken in the bombing of Japan were not on Hiroshima or Nagasaki. It was actually the firebombing in Tokyo. So those are the things I'm going to be looking for. So I look forward to seeing your discussion, and have a great week.